With everything going on with the Brics Nation and all right now, 5 years from now, they're going to have us at 20% inflation, and it's going to stay there for a while. If you don't have appreciating assets, you're going to fall behind, and you may be middle class, and then the next thing you know, you're going to be poor because you didn't prepare for this, and it's coming. If it don't come for 10 years and you started preparing now, and it didn't happen in 5 years, it happened in 10 years, you're still way ahead of the game on it. The inflation that you feel at home, the inflation you feel at your grocery store, the inflation you feel when you go buy a new vehicle or you go buy a new home, that inflation is the exact same inflation that the city you live in or the county you live in pays also. I listen to our county people here where we live now when they dropped the property rate 1 penny, which to me is a political ploy to try and make themselves look good because they dropped the tax rate a penny. It doesn't save the people any money, it makes them look good. But the fact is that the inflation has come across our city and our town. So what services are they cutting to not do that? Well, one thing they did is they said they were going to do away with the human resources department. So they were going to get rid of all the people in human resources, they were going to get it under one person in finance. Okay, is that bringing the city forward or is that bringing the city back when the city's growing? That brings the city backwards. When you start cutting services for the people and you start cutting to try and act like you're doing something that you're not doing, you know, is it a service you can cut that you really don't need? I know our city gets sued every time we turn around somebody suing. Human resources protects that a lot of times. There is no win with it. There's no win. Property taxes are inevitable. You got to pay them, and the people that don't understand it complain about it, post nasty stuff on social media about it, but they don't understand what's even happening. Go in and figure out a way to change. You got to change it from the federal level, and then it all trickles down.